Number 1. Azael. Azael is an absolute must-watch series where we see the story of a young man named Omar, who after returning from military service, gets betrayed by his friends and fiancé and ends up in prison for 10 years. In order to escape, he creates a plan inside the prison and fakes his own death. Then he recreates himself using different surgeries and become Azael, a high-end gambler, who is outwardly a successful man, but inwardly driven by one thing: his determination to understand why the people he loved betrayed him and take his revenge. According to me, the intricate storyline, brilliant character development, and unexpected twists make Azael a masterpiece that stands out among the best. I will highly recommend you to watch this series. Number 2. The Ambassador's Daughter. Sankar Efeoglu, Indian Accurate, is the son of a sharecropper who works at Mayor's Olive Groves. Sankar lives in a small cottage inside Olive Groves together with his family and works at Mayor's service. Nare, played by Neslihan Atagul, on the other hand, is the daughter of Ambassador. Due to her father's occupation, she travels a lot and lives in different countries like India, Japan, Norway, etc. throughout her life. Sankar and Nare fall in love with each other even though they come from different backgrounds and get married. Due to some clash, they both get separated for 8 years. After 8 years, they meet again, but this time Sankar became rich and became the owner of the olive groves at where his father works, and Nare on the other hand struggles with her daughter, which she had with Sankar. In short, The Ambassador's Daughter, Seferin Kizi, TV series story is about a legendary love between Sankar and Nare. Before going further, if you want to watch more videos on Turkish series lists with English subtitles, then please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Number 3. Gulzemal. The story revolves around the love that begins with hatred between Gulzemal, Murat Anılmış, whom his mother abandoned and turned into a dark monster when he was young, and the beautiful Deva, Melis Sezen, who becomes engulfed in a whirlwind of fire, passion, and storm. In Gulzemal's battle with his mother, will an unexpected love or the years of hatred he has harbored prevail? And what about Deva? Watch this series to find out. Number 4. Sen Kal Kapimi. Sen Kal Kapimi is an awesome Turkish romantic comedy series about Ida, a young and beautiful college student who faces financial difficulties when her scholarship is cut without notification. She works part-time at her aunt's flower shop and wants to enter a nationwide university exam to study at a public university. However, she can't forget the injustice done to her by the man responsible for cutting scholarships, Serkan Bolat, a young and successful businessman. Their lives intersect by coincidence and they dislike each other. But when Serkan needs to reverse his ex-girlfriend's engagement, then he and Ida enter into a contract to act as if they are dating. Serkan wants to make his ex-girlfriend cancel the engagement, while Ida wants to get scholarship to Italy and make her future. Over time, they develop feelings for each other, but their contract and past issues create obstacles. Number 5. Kuzey Yıldızı. Kuzey Yıldızı or North Star follows Kuzey, who was a wealthy man, but faces a sudden downfall as his wife leaves, leaving him broke with 3 daughters. To repay a debt, his partner offers to marry Kuzey's daughter Feride, which he refuses. After they lose everything, they move to Ordu, which was once Kuzey's hometown. In this countryside, they struggle with basic tasks. Kuzey seeks forgiveness from the community and his past love Yıldız, who's never married due to their history. As they adapt to their new life, they faces many things. In this series North Star, you will explore forgiveness, redemption, and the challenges of rebuilding. Number 6. Bambaşka Biri. Bambaşka Biri is the most recent series of Burak Deniz and Hande Erçel, which centers around the brutal murder of Hamdi Atilbey. This becomes the pivot of destiny for Leela, a prosecutor with a turbulent past longing for a fresh start, and Kenan, an ambitious journalist seeking to redefine his life. Amid conflicting interests, their mutual attraction deepens, with Kenan falling under the spell of Leela's beauty while she remains wary of his journalistic agenda. As they delve into the murder case, their undeniable connection intensifies, even though barriers such as Kenan's father, Chief Prosecutor Turan, initially keep Leela at bay. However, her resistance gradually crumbles, and she finds herself irresistibly drawn to the charismatic man who commands admiration from all corners of their world. Number 7. Satla Beni. Meet and Nas, born into affluent families, share a childhood promise forged in the aftermath of a tragic incident that tested Nas' innocence, drawing Meet's family into unwavering support. As they mature, their relationship oscillates between heated arguments and passionate reconciliations. Meet, steadfast in fulfilling their promise, returns from abroad to marry Nas, but fate intervenes when he encounters Insaila, Nas' loyal servant, revealing shared emotional wounds and complicating Meet's feelings. The unfolding drama is intensified by long-standing family rivalries, concealed secrets, and personal struggles, adding layers of tension. As suspicion and jealousy taint Meet and Nas' bond, the narrative explores the intricate dynamics of love, trust, and competition, unveiling a tale of emotions, lies, and intrigue. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 8. Aadim Farah Season 2. In the first season of Aadim Farah, we see Farah, an Iranian woman living in Istanbul, becomes entangled in a murder case involving a mafia member Tahir. Fleeing for her life, she finds herself at Tahir's mercy, striking a fragile deal to protect her and her son, Karim Sa. However, as the time passes, both of them came closer to each other. However, the season 2 of Aadim Farah takes a dark turn as Behnam, father of Karim Sa, and the man Farah once tried to kill, resurfaces, seeking to inflict emotional torment on her. Tahir, desperate to save his family, gets entangled in a deadly trap. A year later, Tahir and Farah's paths cross again in a courtroom, where Farah shocks Tahir with a divorce request, igniting a fierce battle of wills and emotions. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 9. Safir. Safir is the most recent Turkish series of Ozge Yagis, where we see the story, which revolves around the Gulsoy family, based in Cappadocia. Their lives are shaken by a tragic event, prompting the return of the eldest son, Atesh, from America. Atesh, who had distanced himself due to family conflicts, returns at his mother's request to help run the family business with his brothers, Yaman and Okan. Yaman plans to propose to his longtime love, Feraye, Ozge Yagis, but a devastating incident on Ferai's birthday disrupts their plans. As Yaman has accidentally hit the mafia leader's son into coma. Ferai's stepmother is the only witness of this incident, so she forces Yaman to marry her daughter Alina, Ferai's stepsister, otherwise she will tell the truth to the mafia leader. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 10. Yali Kapkini. In Yal Kapn, we see a rich dweller. Halis Aga wants his reckless grandson Ferit, who is a playboy, to marry Suna. But Ferit falls for Suna's sister Seyran, which causes a lot of issues. Seyran wants education, and Suna faces pressure at the same time. Seyran's forced marriage to Ferit creates family tensions and romance. Unlike Ferit, Seyran is a very mature girl, who gives priority to education, more than anything. The show explores how Ferit changes from a reckless playboy to a better mature person. Before ending this video, I want you to please write the name of your favorite Turkish series from this list, and also write that why you like that series so much. This will help others to choose their next Turkish series to binge watch. Thanks.